This lot is all approved. Building permit is in hand, you can start building immediately. Located in North Easton behind the Queset House Mansion, this 3.4-acre lot is waiting for you. Start building the home of your dreams. You can have views of rolling fields, factory pond and waterfall, stunning foliage and so much more. You and future guests will be in awe of the entrance featuring a stone wall on either side of the drive that takes you over the granite bridge. Settled minutes from Ames Free Library, Queset Gardens, restaurants, and so much more. A fun fact about this location? The movie Mermaids featuring Cher and Winona Ryder had scenes filmed here.